Okay, class, today we are talking about putting numbers in order. I've got some cards here. I've got a 7 and a 4, and I've also taken some cubes to represent these numbers visually. I've also got some symbols. I've got greater than, equals to, and less than. So which one should I use? Now remember, the alligator always wants to eat the bigger amount. So we point his jaws in the direction of the bigger amount. All right, the jaws need to point towards the 7. Have we got it right? No, we want to point the jaws towards the 7. We want to say that 7 is greater than 4. Good job. The alligator wants to eat the 7. Okay, let's try a new one. I'm going to put in 2 new cards. Let's see what I'm going to get. I've got a 2 and I've got a 10. Okay, I need to pick a symbol. I always need to remember which way is the alligator going to want to eat. Does he want to eat the 2? No, the 2 is not bigger than 10. He wants to eat the 10. And now we can say that 2 is less than 10. The alligator is happy. And also, playing cards are great because if we don't have cubes or something to represent visually, we can see the number represented visually. Okay, let's try something new. I'm going to line up 4 cards. I've got a 2, a 6, a 3, and a 5. I'm going to pull down the 5, and I'm going to choose a symbol. Less than. 5 is less than which number? That's right, it's less than 6. It's not less than any of the other 2 numbers. If I change my symbol, now I want to say that 5 is greater than which number? Well, I have a choice of 2 here, don't I? I can say that 5 is greater than 3. That's correct, the alligator wants to eat the 5. And I can also say that 5 is greater than 2. Good job. Okay, so we recapped on our symbols, and now we want to put our numbers into order, ascending order. So 4 is less than 10. Is 10 less than 2? No, 10 is greater than 2. But we don't want to do that. We want to put them in ascending order. So we want to make sure our symbols all point in the same direction for ascending order. We want our smallest number to come first, and then our next number size up, and the next size up. So let's look at this in cubes to help us out. We need to move it around because we want our numbers to go from smallest to biggest, and that way all our symbols point in the same direction. And we now have our numbers in ascending order. They go from smallest up to biggest. 2 is less than 4, and 4 is less than 10. Great job. We've now ordered our numbers and used our symbols correctly. Okay, let's have another look. Okay, we now have the numbers 2, 3, 6, and 5. Are they in ascending order? 2 is smaller than 3. 3 is smaller than 6. 2 is less than 3. 3 is less than 6. Oh, but 6 is not going to be less than 5. So 3 is less than 5, and 5 is less than 6. Great. We've now put our numbers in ascending order from smallest to biggest. And we've got our symbols correct. Can we do it the other way around? Can we put them in descending order? Let's see. Okay, we're going to start with the biggest number, 6, 5, 3, and 2. And now we need to use the greater than symbol. 6 is greater than 5. 5 is greater than 2, or 3, sorry, and 3 is greater than 2. We have now put our numbers in descending order from biggest down to smallest, and all